NIO got a whopping 12,900 insurance registrations for last week, 3rd of November to the 9th of November. Absolutely insane numbers. 5,500 plus for the NIO brand, 5,700 plus for the Envo brand, and 1,700 plus for the Firefly car. Oh my God. And this is definitely this is like a new weekly high. All right, this is like all-time weekly high ever. And this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning. In fact, NIO's president said there's going to be a 70% increase in deliveries going forward. Wasn't clear if it was just specifically for the ESA or in general. But then if you do the extrapolation, like 70% increase over for 40,000 deliveries, that puts you at 68,000 deliveries, roughly around that number. In fact, this was why I was banned on my main channel, because I had plus 70% in the thumbnail. And again, apparently that's against YouTube policy to have that. And previously I had another, incident where that happened. I had like a plus 30% or something like that in the thumbnail. And then it got flagged, got taken down, and I got a strike, and there's a second strike, and blah. Yeah. So I contacted customer support. Like if you watch my video, it's not like I'm telling you you're guaranteed 70% returns on investment. It's actually 70% increase in deliveries, which has nothing to do with returns on investment. So apparently they thought it was about returns on investment, and they banned me. So I don't know if I'll get my main channel back. So make sure you subscribe to this one, because this is where I'll be uploading daily videos from now on. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe, okay? Please subscribe, all right? Because I'm only sitting on like 300 subscribers. It's kind of sad. But yeah, sucks. It sucks. But it is what it is. Now, let's talk about NIO, more about NIO. So that number, 12,900, that doesn't even include the like overseas sales, the cars that they've sold abroad, because this is only insurance registrations in China, okay? And those cars that got shipped overseas, the Firefly cars, you got the big shipping container, like a big ship of those cars, that's not even counted. So delivery numbers are actually going to be much higher. And also going forward, we have Envo ramping up. They've actually finished ramping up, and then next month you're going to have like ES8 fully ramped up. So you're going to see numbers continue to increase going forward. So this is just the beginning. We're not even seeing what will be like in the future. Now, I have gone to some of the stores, and some of the stores, the hype has died down a little tiny bit, because it's just I went there on a weekday, so blame the weekday. But I talked to some of the sales rep, and they were like, they have so many orders that they're just kind of fighting to get the car, basically, essentially. And it's all about production right now. Their sales reps are not really concerned about like really having to sell the car. Right now, it's not about convincing customers to buy a NIO, right? The ESA, the product, and the Envo L90 as well. It's just simply you show them the features. You open the front for them. Yeah? They sit in it. They experience everything, and you show them the battery swap station, and then tell the customer, go compare it to whoever the hell you want to compare it to, and then you can make your own decision. And then apparently they all come back. So that's pretty crazy. Yeah, the product speaks for itself. So, but the sales reps, they still do have to make a lot of phone calls and make sure that customers do know about this. The biggest problem is a lot of people don't know about battery swap. Still, yeah, that's still a problem. Okay, you ask a lot about the Tesla owners. Do they know about battery swap? No, they don't. They have no idea what the hell it is. So that's why like the recent Coca-Cola ad is just so powerful, right? Because it gets people to know about battery swap. Yeah, very good. Going forward, I'm expecting this month to get maybe 50,000 deliveries, at least. All right, and then next month 60,000 plus. All right, And I think there's a very strong chance of NIO actually achieving it. Yeah, I'm not actually too worried about that. So looking good. This is exactly what we've been expecting, and this is exactly what's going on. And it's going to go up even more. So yeah, this is very nice. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.